activity across Maryland has varying degrees of activity and prices are still rising, though price growth is less aggressive. It's Friday, July 25th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Charles, Howard, and Washington County buyer activity is high. In Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Harford, and St. Mary counties have steady buyer activity. Garrett County is moderate. Allegany, Montgomery, Frederick, and Prince Georges counties are slow. Baltimore City activity is limited. This report's new inventory fell 19% to 2,111 units for sale. Coming soon properties rose 13% to 1,470 units. Homes going under contract fell to 1,674 units. This report, a 5% drop from last report and in 20 days. 1,325 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 12 days at a median sales price of $450,000. Rental properties rose to 2,992 and priced at a median $2,700 per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 25th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. I'll see you next week. Take care.